Hey, we're going to talk about improving on the shove it to fakie on the bank. We're going to talk about how to do a shove it on the bank, then turn around and roll away 180. The difference between doing a shove it, rolling away backwards, and this trick is shortly after you land it, you need to pivot on the back wheels immediately to re-enter the ramp. Now let's see it in action. Notice how I pivoted my back trucks as soon as I landed the shove it. Use your back foot to spin the board. Land feet above both bolts. As soon as you feel contact with the bank, pivot around on the back trucks and re-enter.